We're only a few weeks into 2025, but the future of SEO is already shaping up to be very different from 2024, and even more so from the previous years. We know one thing for sure: tactics like keyword stuffing and building backlinks, aren't cut it anymore. Instead, Google is rewarding content that is helpful, user-focused, and well-structured, and luckily, we have the tools to make this happen. In fact, there has been a huge development in AI tools that can help marketers and content creators produce high-quality content at scale. These tools offer features that make it easier than ever before to generate content outlines, expand ideas into full-fledged articles, and enrich your content with relevant information. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and dominate the SEO game in 2025, keep watching, because we'll share the best AI tools for content outlining, expansion, and enrichment, along with expert tips on how to use them effectively. Why is 2025 different? We've seen AI take off in popularity in recent years, but 2025 is when things start getting serious. There are two main reasons for this. First, Google has rolled out several updates emphasizing quality, user-centric content, such as the Helpful Content Update and the Product Review Update. Second, AI technology has advanced significantly, making it more accessible and practical for everyday use. Google's focus on quality content is a direct response to users' evolving needs. People are no longer satisfied with thin keyword-stuffed articles. They want in-depth, engaging content that provides real value. This shift in focus is evident in the way Google evaluates content. Factors like word count, backlinks, and domain authority are still important, but they are no longer enough to guarantee high rankings. Instead, Google is looking for content that meets three primary criteria. First, user intent. Does the content answer the reader's question or fulfill their intent? For example, if someone searches for best restaurants in New York, they're looking for a list of recommendations, not a discussion of what makes a restaurant great. Second, quality and depth. Is the content comprehensive, well-researched, and engaging? Users are less likely to stick around on a shallow, repetitive piece of content. Finally, user experience. Is it easy to read, visually appealing, and mobile-friendly? A positive user experience signals to Google that your content is worth promoting. The challenge is that producing this type of content requires significant time, effort, and expertise. Research shows that creating a single piece of content can take over 10 hours, and that's where AI tools can help. By leveraging AI technology, marketers and creators can streamline their content production process, improve content quality, and focus on what matters most, providing real value to their audience. So let's explore some of the best AI tools available for content outlining, expansion, and enrichment. Starting with content outlines, it's crucial to have a solid structure for your article, as it provides a roadmap for both you and your readers. It helps you stay focused, ensures logical flow, and keeps your readers engaged. An effective content outline should cover all the key points you want to make and provide a clear path for your readers to follow. Our top pick for AI content outline is Contently. This platform uses AI to analyze your topic and generate a content outline tailored to your target keywords. What sets Contently apart is its ability to generate content briefs, which include a unique value proposition, content pillars, and content clusters. This feature is invaluable for creating a comprehensive content strategy and ensuring your articles are always relevant and up-to-date. Plus, Contently integrates with Surfer SEO and Jasper, allowing you to easily import your chosen keywords and optimize your content. Now let's talk about content expansion. Coming up with ideas is easy, but expanding them into full-fledged articles can be challenging. That's where AI content expansion tools can save the day. These tools use AI to analyze your input, whether it's a phrase, sentence, or paragraph, and expand it into a longer, more detailed piece of content. One of the best AI content expansion tools available is Text Cortex. It offers various expansion options, including adding examples, insights, and actionable tips. It also has a built-in thesaurus and grammar checker to help you write more effectively. What's more, Text Cortex offers a range of templates for different content types, such as blog posts, social media captions, and video scripts, making it a versatile tool for any content creator. Finally, let's discuss content enrichment. Adding relevant information to your content can make it more engaging and informative for your readers. This can include adding facts, statistics, subtopics, and other conversational phrasing. By using AI content enrichment tools, you can enhance your content's quality and appeal to both readers and search engines. Our top pick for AI content enrichment is AnyWord. This tool analyzes your content and suggests improvements based on its performance and users' feedback. AnyWord also offers a content score and grade, allowing you to see how your content ranks against competitors and industry standards. Additionally, AnyWord provides in-depth analytics, enabling you to track your content's performance over time and make necessary adjustments. Using AI tools for content outlining, expansion, and enrichment can bring several benefits to your content creation process. Let's take a closer look at how each tool can make a difference. AI content outline tools can help you save time by generating a content structure based on your input. You don't have to waste time brainstorming ideas or worrying about the structure of your article. Instead, you can use the generated outline as a starting point and customize it to fit your needs. For example, you may have an idea for an article, but you're not sure how to structure it. An AI content outline tool can analyze your idea and generate a suggested outline for you. This can help you stay focused and ensure that your article flows logically from one point to the next. AI content expansion tools can help you overcome writer's block and generate new ideas based on your input. You don't have to struggle to come up with fresh ideas or spend hours researching topics. Instead, you can use an AI content expansion tool to brainstorm ideas and build on your existing content. This can help you produce more content in less time and keep your content fresh and engaging for your readers. AI content enrichment tools can help you add relevant information to your content, making it more informative and engaging for your readers. You don't have to spend time searching for statistics or trying to come up with new angles. Instead, you can use an AI content enrichment tool to suggest new ideas and add variety to your content. This can help you keep your content fresh and exciting for your readers and improve the overall quality of your writing. It's important to note that while AI tools can be incredibly useful, they're not a replacement for human editing. You need to carefully review the output of these tools to ensure accuracy, relevance, and quality. However, by using AI tools, you can free up your time to focus on the more important aspects of content creation, such as writing, editing, and strategy. This allows you to produce high-quality content that meets the evolving demands of Google's algorithms and your target audience. In conclusion, AI tools are transforming the way content is created and consumed. By leveraging AI for content outlining, expansion, and enrichment, marketers and creators can produce high-quality, engaging content that meets the evolving needs of both users and search engines. As the SEO landscape continues to change, staying ahead of the curve and embracing new technologies like AI will be crucial for success. We encourage you to try out the tools mentioned in this video and explore how they can benefit your content creation process. Do not be afraid to experiment with AI and discover how it can help you create content that ranks higher, engages more readers, and drives better results. The future of SEO is here, and it's time to embrace the power of AI. And if you're looking for more AI-related content, check out our video on how to use ChatGPT for SEO. With the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, we're sure you're going to enjoy it. So thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating.